Tips and tricks for generating great leads. Are you thinking about starting a new business? Do you already have one that is struggling? Either way, it is important that you work on finding new customers. There are several ways that you can generate leads for your business. This video has some great tips to help you out. Be more active on niche-relevant forums and discussion boards to generate easy leads. If you hang out where consumers ask questions, you can gather trust, brand yourself and be a go-to source for them. Not only will they appreciate your assistance, they will also most likely visit your site for more info or to make purchases. Are your leads actually original? As you go through the process, you might not consider the possibility of duplication, but it is important. It is quite easy to have leads show up multiple times in your generation process. The most effective campaigns do not continually target customers that have not shown an interest in your products or services. Talk to business owners in related industries. They may be willing to share leads with you, by sending their customers your way. For example, if you own a shop where you sell balloons, talking to a florist about a joint venture is a great way to get leads from another business. Is there anything going on in your local community that is related to your field of business? For instance, if you work in real estate, are any wedding shows coming up soon? Since newlyweds are likely to be seeking a place to live, secure a table so people are aware of your services. Read your neighborhood classified regularly so you always know what is coming to town. Don't be afraid to pick up the phone. A lot of people get scared of making a call to generate a lead. They think it's akin to annoying telemarketing. But if you've got a solution to a problem a company is having, you'll definitely get phone time with someone. Even if it's not a long call, pitch it and get a meeting to continue the conversation. Consider volunteering to help build leads. Choose a group which somehow relates to your niche, such as Cub Scouts if you are a dentist or a French club if you happen to be a tutor. Volunteering shows you have a good soul and can help build a positive reputation. Generating leads can happen when you talk to your customers. Knowing what drew your customers or what drives them within your niche can be very useful. This can allow you to tailor your lead generation to target that customer niche. This allows you to better separate your leads for each marketing push. Take a class which would better your skills and talk to the other students. They might just be honing their skills because they aren't very good at what you're good at, and maybe they can use what you're selling to make up for the fact they can't do it on their own. Whether you are still planning your business or have already launched it, gaining customers is important. If you use the suggestions you have just read, you should create more leads. The more leads you have, the greater your success will be. Start implementing these suggestions today to boost your business. Student loan.